Morning student, myself Gadak sir from Shram Shakti Vidya Niketan Mandal School. Friends, as we are learning math subject for the 5th standard. So, into the last lecture, we have learned the topic that is multiplication. From this chapter number 4, that is multiplication and division. Okay. So, into the chapter number 4, we have started first topic that is multiplication. So, you are thinking that we are learning the multiplications, division, addition, subtraction is from second standard or third standard. But what is the use of again learning the multiplication and division into the fifth standard that we have to see. Okay. Now friends, into the fifth standard, in chapter second that is number 1, we have learned some topics related to the 6-digit number and 7-digit number. That means we have learned 6-digit number and 7-digit number into this year. So, into the 5th standard, you should able to multiply 6-digit number or 7-digit number by any numbers. That means by 2-digit number, 3-digit number, or by single-digit number also. 4-digit number, 5-digit number also. Okay. So, in the last lecture, we have seen some numericals related to the multiplications of 3-digit, 4-digit number by the 2-digit or 3-digit number. Okay. So I think now all of you are able to do the multiplications of the given number. So I have given homework related to the multiplications, that is on page number 60 there is problem set 14. Into that problem set 14, question number 1 is multiply, and it contains 12 problems. So that 12 problems you have to solve at the end. I think all of you have solved that into your note. So now into the today's lecture we are going to solve the remaining word problem related to the multiplication from the problem set 14. Okay. So question number 2 is from question number 2 to question number 10. All are word problem related to the multiplication. So one by one we will see which are that problem and how to solve that problems. Okay. So first numerical from page number 16, problem set 14. That is second number numerical is like that. As a part of avoid plastic campaigns, what they have said, as a part of avoid plastic campaigns, each of 745 students made 25 paper bags. Okay. How many students are there? 725, 45 students are there. And how many paper bags each student have made? That is 25 paper bags. Okay. So what they have asked, what was the total number of paper bags made? Okay. That means in the campaign of avoid the plastic, 745 students are participated. And that 745 students, each student have made 25 bags of the papers. So if they made the bag, each student made the 25 bags of paper, then they have asked to us that what was the total number of paper bags made. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate what is the total number of bags by total student as made. Okay. So for writing or for solving the numericals, first we have to write down the given numerical into your notebook. So word problem first we have to write down in your notebook, and then we will start to write the answer. So here instead of writing the numerical, I am going to write the answer. So number of students how many number of students are participated in the avoid plastic campaign? That is 745 students. And each student made 25 paper bags. So now we have to calculate how many total by the 725 students. Because one student, single student form 25 paper bags. So how many, if we want to calculate the total paper bag made by 745 students, then what you have to do? Either you have to add that 25 or subtract or multiply or divide. Obviously multiply, because number of students are 745 and one student has made 25 bags. So which is the larger number? 745. And which is the smaller number? 20. So because number of students are more than 1. So if number of students are more than 1 and all students have made the same bags, which is the bag? Which is that? 25 bags. So 25 I have taken as it. And number of students are more than 1. So how many total students? 745. So larger number, I have multiplied larger number by smaller number. So 745 multiplied by 25. So if all of you know the table of 25, you can directly multiply that 745 by 25. Otherwise, you can multiply by the single digit, that is 5, and then by the 5. So let we consider we don't know the table of 25. So we will multiply separately by each digit. So 5 5s are 25. So out of 25, that 2 is carried, you have to written here. Okay. Now 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is carried, that is 22. So out of that 22, 2 I have written here and 2 is carried. Now 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, that is nothing but the 37. And here there is no digit, that means I have written the number 8. Now I will move toward it. Now that 2 is present at the place of tens. So here I am not going to write anything at the place of units. So I have written 0. Now 2 5s are 10. Out of 10, 1 is carried. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 2 7s are 14. So what I have to do? I have to add both the answers. So 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 7 plus 9, 60. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And 1 empty. So that is the answer. As this is the word problem, what I have to do? I have to write down the answer which I have got into the word. So what they have asked, what was the total number of paper bags made? Therefore, instead of 4 words, I will write down. Therefore, 18,625 paper bags was made by the students. Like that, I can write the answer. I have got the answer here, but as this is the word problem, I have to write the answer into the sentence. So instead of what they have asked, what was the total number of bags made? So instead of what was, I have written the answer. So 18,625 paper bags was made by the students. Okay. That is nothing but our answer. Okay. Now I think all of you understand how we have solved this numerator. Why we have taken the multiplications? Because all students have made the same paper bags. How many paper bags? Each student has made 25. So one number of students are more than 1. So how many students? 745. That's why I have taken the multiplication. So larger number multiplied by smaller number. And answer is 18,625. So 18,625 paper bags was made by the students. That is nothing but the answer of our second question. Like that you have to write down the answers. Okay. Now this is the question number 2. Now all of you read the question number 3. Now we will move toward the next question, that is question number 3. All of you read the question number 3 and try to understand what they have asked and what they have given to us. So if you once understand what they have given to us and what we have to find out, then you can easily solve the numericals. Okay, so question number 3 is like that: in a plantation, saplings of 215 medicinal trees have been planted. Okay, how many medicinal trees have been planted? 250 in each of the 132 rows of the tree. How many saplings are there in the plantation altogether? Okay, that means what? In a certain plantation, okay, saplings of 215 medicinal plant tree has been planted. So how many medicinal plant trees are there? 215, and each of the 132 rows. So first we will write the given data into the answer. So first you have to write down the given word problem, and below that you have to write the answer. So total numbers of medicinal trees 250 medicinal 215 medicinal trees. Okay, 250 medicinal trees, and total number of rows are how many? Total number of rows 132. 132 rows are there. Okay, that means total medicinal, how many medicinal trees are there? 250, and total rows are 130. That means that rows are fixed. How many rows are fixed? 132, and medicinal trees are 1250. That means in each rows, how many medicinal trees are there? 250. That means that trees are fixed in each row. So how many trees are there? 250. And how many number of rows? 130. That means that rows are greater than the 1. So if the rows are greater than the 1, and in each row there are same medicinal trees, that is 1250, that means you have to calculate in 132 rows how many medicinal plants were, or how many medicinal trees were there. Okay, so for calculating, that means I have to calculate in all 132 rows. So in each row how many medicinal trees are there? 250, and total number of rows are more than 1, and how many rows are there? 150. So I have to take multiplications. Okay, and for the multiplication I will take the multiplication of larger number by the smaller number. You can also take multiplication of smaller number by larger number, no problem. Okay, so 2 5s, I will start from the 2. So 2 5s are 10, 1 is carry, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 is over. Now I will start for the 3. That 3 is present at the place of tens, so at the place of unit I will use 0. So 3 5s are 15, 1 is carry, 5 I have written. So 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4, and 3 2s are 6. Now 3 is over. Now I will start for the 1. Now that 1 is present at the place of 100. So at the place of unit and tens I will write the 0, and then I will start writing from the 100. So 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. Now what I have to do? I have to take the addition of all the answers. So 0 0 0, that means 0. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 0 8. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 5 13. 1 is carried, so I will write that 1 here. 6 plus 1, now here is nothing, that means 0 is here. So 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Now for the 2, here is nothing, here is also nothing, that means 0 0. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. So that is the answer. So that is nothing but the total number of medicinal trees where plants are 28,380. Okay, so what they have asked, how many saplings are there in the plantation alone. So instead of how many, I will write the answer because I have the answer. Therefore, 28,380 saplings are there in plantation. Therefore, 28,380 saplings are there in the plantation. Like that, you can solve the numerical related to multiplication. So that means if into the word problems, if anyone is the fix, okay, that means into this numerical medicinal trees are fixed into each row, but that number of rows are greater than the one. Total number of rows are 132. That's why I have taken the multiplication. So you can solve the multiplication numerical like that. So remaining numericals you have to solve at the home. Okay, thank you friends.